Oh, that's right, you're left-handed.
Yeah. All right, let me know when you're going.
Go ahead.
Uzi does it.
Pretty nice, huh?